Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Kind of a cool looking building right there. It's a Japanese kind of store. It's kind of so crowded right now. Cemetery. So this is the cemetery wall. So this is also part of this patio. The patio goes up and then there's a wall and you can't go any further. So that was our target street, directly up that way. Okay, we're going to be filming this street going straight up this way. You'll see what it is in a moment. I'll tell you the street. This is General Jojado, and we got the lights coming up too, so I think it's going to be kind of cool. Gyeonggu is not too far from here, and that's the fire station right there, fire station museum. And we're going to start out at this crossroad, and then this is a totally different street, kind of a small street. But anyways, that's not our focus. Our focus is going to be that way, so stay tuned. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Okay, so let's go across. We got our fire station right there. And then in this space, the lights are just coming on as well, so we should have some nice lighting shortly. So this is going to be our target street right here. So we got quite a few people walking. I'm going to go across the street. It's kind of a cool looking building right there. Okay, so all kinds of cool stuff. And we're going to walk up Rua de Afonso de Albuquerque is the name of the street. So we'll see what we can see walking up the street. So I think we kind of have to walk uphill a little bit, and then we're going to go downhill. I'll just show you what we can see along the way, including the restaurants here. That one looks like, hello, how are you? So I got that one's a duck restaurant. This one is says Chinese New Year, but I think it's Japanese. Love Life. So this one's like a bra shop. So this one has sandwiches, spaghetti. Kind of looks a little bit Macanese-ish. Macanese, they kind of have, you'll see, kind of a fusion of stuff, pastas, bread. Big windows. So kind of a cool looking space right in there. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking up. Got a Daiso over on the other side. It's a Japanese one. Piano. Streets are really narrow in here. So we're gonna keep on walking down. So there's a Daiso, and there's also so we're gonna walk. Looks like schools are just coming out, so got a corner supermarket right there. That's the Daiso down that way. And then you can see Gyeonggu Hospital in the background as well. Let me see, I don't know which way is better. The Daiso side. Okay. So we're gonna try to navigate through the crowds. So Kyunggu Hospital is that one right there, right next to the Daiso. So the Daiso is a Japanese kind of store. It's kind of so crowded right now. So we're gonna try to go. Let's go back because there's. I think that's the school is coming out. Let's go back this way. I guess I can't avoid that. So nice balconies right there. Oh, I see. So that's a primary school that's just getting out. Let's see what this is. So that's kind of a cool building. I think I saw the name. I think I heard about this before, but I can't remember the situation about it. So we kind of walked down that street. Those green buildings down there look kind of cool too. I think I was underneath it. So let's just kind of get past this area. There's basically just like tons of kids everywhere. School just got out, so let's just get past this area. So we're gonna keep on moving forward. It's kind of chaotic. So I guess it's about 5 p.m. and school has just got out, so. So that also means the traffic is kind of busy. So we're still on our target street, which is Rua de Afonso de Albuquerque. So that's where we just came from. Okay, so we're gonna continue down tall buildings. So I kind of want to go on the other side of these kids. Over to this side. So this street is going to lead us where we can see Gia Hill, which is where the Gia Fortress is at. And also along the way there's these kind of cool looking little patios. Like that. I have walked in here before and it's kind of cool looking. So this kind of, since this patio is part of the major street, we'll just kind of walk in a little bit, but it comes to a dead end and then you won't be able to see anything. You won't be able to go through it. Or no, you can. You have to go. No, I've been in here before, so it's cool little space though. Little patio. This area is kind of cool. We're near the Salazaro area. Kind of cool balconies too. Okay. The laboratory. It's kind of like a cool shop. Okay. So that's the alley would have ended right there. So now you can see that it doesn't, but there's another spot that goes into that patio as well. I'll show that too in a moment. I think I want to go on the other side. General Rodriguez. Okay, so now you can see this these buildings where the patio is at. All these nice balconies as well. All the kids got out of school. So it's a nice little space. And then this is going to go all the way to Top Siak. And then that's kind of colorful. Let's see. Kind of cool apartments though. So we're also on the backside of St. Mike. There's a church in here. Cemetery. So this is the cemetery wall. So this is also part of this patio. The patio goes up and then there's a wall and you can't go any further. But this is also the cemetery in green. So that's all in this area as well. So yeah, that's the backside of a cemetery. And Top Siak is coming up. Rua de Afonso de Albuquerque. And I just want to capture our street sign right there. Rua de Afonso de Albuquerque. Then we have these other, this is little Esperanza Street. Tattoo shop right there, I believe. And then this one, that yellow building is kind of cool as well. I think I should probably be on the other side. So this particular building, we'll see it, this goes to, it's like Top Siak Road, but it also follows the cemetery right here. So that, all that green is part of the cemetery. And there's a big St. Michael's statue in there. I'm gonna go in there and film one of these days. I've actually never been in there. 11 years in Macau, I've never been in that cemetery. Flower shop. Aromatic salon. And then we're going to come out to this Top Siak area. Rua de Afonso de Albuquerque. So yeah, a nice little space. And then way up at the top you can see a lighthouse. So that's Gia Hill Lighthouse. And that's Gia Fortress. And you can actually go all the way up to the top there. But this whole area is Top Siak. And over there is one of the first casinos in Macau. That's no longer a casino. It's, I think they're going to turn it into something totally different, but it should be a museum. It should be. But that one, there's oh, they took down, there's a big painting that they just covered it up. I don't know if they're going to restore it, but it's over at Lisboa, a copy of it. So this is where we're at right here, Rua de Afonso de Albuquerque. Let's just kind of go in a little bit, capture some of the feeling. So that was our target street, directly up that way. And then this kind of goes into, this whole area is called Top Siak. So that was our target street right there. And that's gonna come around here real quick. So yeah, this is this whole Top Siak area. So I'll just briefly show it off a little bit. So yeah, that's where the first casino was at. Before Stanley Ho and before Lisboa. So, okay. So there we go. Got a little slice of Macau for you. So hope you like that one. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.